In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rising window bullish, quick and easy. We'll be doing this inside Tradingview, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own chart. If you already have Tradingview open, make sure you're on the chart of the asset you want to analyze. It can be a stock, crypto, forex pair, or anything else you like to trade. Once you're on the chart, we're ready to get started. First, look toward the top of your Tradingview interface for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, it's usually located near the middle of the top toolbar and might be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens up the Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools and scripts to your chart. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search bar and type the word Rising. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern. Just Rising is enough for Tradingview to start filtering the list for you. Give it a second and you'll see a few different options appear underneath, including candlestick pattern tools. From that filtered list, look for the one called Rising Window Bullish. When you find it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically add that pattern tool to your chart. You should now see the indicator working in the background, highlighting or marking the bullish rising window patterns directly on your candles whenever they appear. If nothing shows up right away, don't worry. It just means that particular pattern may not be present in the price action you're currently viewing. You can zoom out or scroll back in time to see if any past occurrences are marked. At this point, the rising window bullish pattern is fully added and active on your chart. You can adjust time frames, switch between assets, and the indicator will stay applied across your charts, helping you quickly identify those bullish gaps. If you want more advanced charting features, extra indicators, and additional tools, you can upgrade your Tradingview account to a paid plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up for Tradingview Pro. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it unlocks a lot more flexibility when you're building out your trading setups and layouts. And that's all there is to it. Click indicators, type Rising, select Rising Window Bullish, and you're ready to go.